day 3/4 of the DIY Hobbit house build. So we've made a fair amount of progress. The area's cleared of everything that we want to clear, and I've decided that I'm going to excavate a little bit more for the foundations. I was originally looking at sort of 20mm of hardcore, 10 centimeters of hardcore, 10 centimeters of concrete, and after quite a few discussions realised that was just a bit too inadequate. So I'm now opting for 10 centimeters of hardcore and 20 centimeters of concrete with reinforcement. This area of the garden here is the highest point, and so I'm having to sort of raise this area of the garden. So as I excavate, I'm going to be raising this area. So you can see how much has been done so far. Today I'll be continuing to excavate, and I think it's going to take a few days because the soil is incredibly hard. We've had a drought here for over a month, and the clay is just solid. So it's going to take at least a week, I'd have said, because I'm working with just a simple wrecking bar and shovel. Okay. In order to bring this part of the garden to the same level as that part of the garden, thinking about building a mock retaining wall just for the pour, and then once we pour the actual concrete, I'll probably backfill with stone, sand. I didn't want to dig the foundations too deep because the garden floods. Well, not floods, but it's because it's heavy clay. In the winter we do have sitting water, so this is the highest point of the garden, so the idea is that any water will flow away into the ditch at the back or down the garden to the drains. Okay, let's start day technically 4.